We already know that Hebrew nouns can have gender, number, and definiteness. They can be masculine or feminine, singular or plural, or they can be indefinite or definite. Nouns can also be in one of two states. Nouns that function normally, like we've been seeing all along, are said to be in the absolute state. But there is also what we call the construct state, which is when two or more nouns are closely joined in order to express a unified idea. In English, we will often translate this with the word of. The primary use of the construct is to communicate possession. So, in this example, devar navi would literally be two nouns sitting next to each other, word and prophet, a word and a prophet. When nouns sit side by side like this, we say that they are forming a construct chain. And it is the first noun that is in the construct state and the final noun that is in the absolute state. When we are communicating possession, we can see that in the sentence word prophet, it would make sense to put an of in the middle to say, whose word is this? It's the prophet's word, or a word of a prophet. Other uses, however, are possible as well. So in beit, the construct noun, and zahav, the absolute noun, house, and gold, we can say that this is a house of gold, or, in other words, a gold house. When defining definiteness in a construct chain, only the absolute noun can have the definite article. And if the absolute noun is definite, then the entire chain is definite. It makes the whole thing definite. So, in this example right here, ish ha Elohim, notice it is the absolute noun Elohim that has the article. And therefore, the entire chain is definite. Rather than being a man, the God, it is the man of God. Similarly, proper nouns will make an entire chain definite. So, ruach Adonai, Adonai is a proper noun. So it is not a spirit of the Lord, it is the spirit of the Lord. In Hebrew, definiteness is defined as an all or nothing event. Similarly, pronominal suffixes make something definite. So in sus avi, avi is the first common singular pronominal suffix, so it is the horse of my father. Adjectival relationships in Hebrew are a little more complicated by construct chains because construct chains cannot be broken up, and therefore adjectives modifying either noun must follow the entire chain. However, the gender, number, and definiteness agreement will often clarify the relationship. So, in this example, devar, hanavi, hatov, we see that tov, our adjective, is definite. And we are seeing that it is agreeing in definiteness with ha-navi. So even though this entire section, devar ha-navi, is the chain, this adjective, tov, is agreeing with navi. So it is not just the word of the prophet, it is the word of the prophet, the good. The word of the good prophet. Sometimes we have to be mindful of vowel changes of words that end up in the construct state. For the most part, it's not a big deal. But one very big giveaway is that the masculine plural im ending becomes a seriyod a ending. And that's a big giveaway to know that that was a masculine plural construct or absolute noun. So in this example, divrei ha-navi ha-tobim, we can see that our chain is right here. And that tobim is plural. Therefore, it is agreeing with the masculine plural ending here. So, the good words of the prophet.